right, for those of you who asked to see the gorillas, well, here we go. This is Myombe Reserve, the home of the gorillas.
I'm hoping to see some action today.
Yes, and you know, hopefully, Mary, the gorillas will make us feel better than they made you feel and not run away from you. So,
yes,
hopefully in just a few moments we will see some gorillas. Let's find out. And by the way, everybody, again, it's a Thursday afternoon. If you want to come to Busch Gardens, do it on a Thursday. Up at customer service, the wait times for all the rides is listed as 5 minutes.
Yeah.
For every single ride.
That's gonna be awesome. That's just walking through. Just walking through the ropes and stuff like that is the 5 minutes. So you're gonna go right onto the ride.
Yep. Now let's see, do we have anybody back here?
No orangutan.
This is the orangutan habitat. And they're being shy today. So no orangutans.
Maybe the girls will be out later.
If you want just a nice relaxing walk, this is a gorgeous place to come. The Myombe Reserve at Busch Gardens. Amazing plants and trees, waterfalls.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't think I'd want to sit or climb on this fence either.
Yeah, really.
Especially if the orangutans are out, which
They're not.
they are not today. But we do have a very nice waterfall.
Yeah. Well, at least it'll be a nice waterfall.
I would love to be under that waterfall today.
Exactly. I was just about to say, can we just go for a dip? That looks so refreshing.
All right, well, let's go find some gorillas. Yeah, so what is that, an orangutan jacuzzi?
Sounds good to me.
Actually, it's human size.
Oh, yeah. Definitely.
We got brands.
Ooh, yeah.
Yeah, I don't want him biting us.
No. There's a bunch of
Yeah, we are out in the open in the wilderness, so ants are expected. And if you want your own wax gorilla, here's where to get it. Just $4 for one wax gorilla.
Yep. Yes.
Okay, there's the lizard showing us how to social distance. Yep,
There.
he ran away as soon as I got close.
Yep.
Even the lizards here social distance. All right, so now we are getting into the gorilla habitat and they are out. Well, Mary, you got your wish.
Watermelon.
Yeah, lunchtime for the gorillas.
Watermelon. I don't know what that is. Look at it. He's hoarding. Those are tomatoes. Look
Yeah.
at him hoarding them.
Gorilla is eating his tomatoes for lunch.
In many social hierarchies, the most powerful governs the tribe. This is true in the gorilla troop. The strongest male or silverback is the troop leader, making him the most desirable father to the female gorillas. The female is
literally
pregnant for about
grabbing them and just
8.5 months
stuffing them in
before
their
giving
hands.
birth, almost as long as humans. Female gorillas
Yeah, the gorillas, they're going into that hammock right there. And they're grabbing a bunch of tomatoes, going off on their own so that nobody gets their tomatoes.
Yeah, they literally, if you watch this guy over here, he had his hands full of tomatoes, and he's now chowing them down. And these guys over here, are they giving each other or are they fighting over a tomato?
And just look for
He's a
trouble to
little
get
boy.
into. the day, they still find comfort in their mother's arms.
All right. Well, we got some gorillas today, but we also have requests for roller coasters, starting with SheiKra. So we're gonna head that direction now. She's been trying to get me on it.
It's time.
We're going on SheiKra, front row. Looks like we have just enough battery power to get this ride, and then I gotta switch them out. So there's the entrance to SheiKra. How's it going today?
Can't complain.
Good.
While enjoying your ride on SheiKra, we ask that you please adhere to the following rules designed for your safety. This ride, by its very nature, creates forces and speeds that may not be acceptable to some persons and may cause injury to some riders with pre-existing conditions.
All right, this is SheiKra. And we're off. Now, until just a few weeks ago, I wouldn't have even considered riding this thing. But, well, here we go.
Yeah, I did the middle, not the edge like this, so this is different.
Yeah, I know. It feels weird being on the side. Gorgeous view.
You can see everything out here.
Yeah, amazing view of Tampa.
Now we're about to hang over.
And yeah, now we're gonna hang over the edge. Well, there's an awesome view of Busch Gardens, and my eyes are closed.
Briefly open.
Wow, close.
Yep, now close. Here we go. Down, but you don't hang over.
Yeah. Well, that's SheiKra. Okay, not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Yeah, I opened my eyes on the second drop, not the first one.
Yeah.
So, yeah, not bad. Actually, a real fun ride. I will do it again. I do want to do it at night and get that view for you. And just to say that I did. Well, that's SheiKra.
got that water in it, so it's no good. There we go.
Hey, when you're waiting for the train, come to the Stanleyville station. Laura will entertain you.
Here we go. We're in the back. Look at her over there. See her over here, honey. She was boogieing before.
Please make sure that everyone's face covering is covering both nose and mouth at all times, because we never know who's going to sneeze and cough. Make sure the mask is on top of, part of the mask is on top of your nose bridge, not at the tip of the nose to where it's not covering. Alright, now we are leaving the station like a herd of turtles running through peanut butter. Here we go! Come on, Sharon, we can do this. There we go. As we're leaving the station, if you see someone waving at you on your left, make sure you wave back at that person. That is the wonderful Jorge. He made sure that you guys got on the train safely. And the other gentleman that you saw earlier, he's taking a break at the moment, his name is Pablo. On the count of three, I want you guys to say goodbye, Jorge, on the count of three. Ready? 1, 2, 3! That was absolutely brilliant, ladies and gentlemen.
Yeah, we love riding the train. And this conductor, Laura, the one we showed you earlier dancing at the station, well, she's our conductor.
Oh, right. So on the left, ladies and gentlemen, are the white rhinos laying under the shade of some trees. Now, rhinos, our white rhinos can weigh about 4,000 to 6,000 pounds, or 2 to 3 tons, depending on your map lovers out there. And their horns not made of anything special, just made out of keratin, just like our fingernails and our hair follicles. And I believe that the rhinos, and forever will believe that the rhinos are the original unicorns.
Wow. That was cool.
And on the island by herself, hiding behind the tall grass, says Jody the black rhino. The reason why she's on the island by herself because she loves her privacy just as like the rest of us do, especially for us new mommies who have to go to the bathroom and we forget to lock the door because the kids just open it. Like, oh! The animals with the long necks on the left, ladies and gentlemen, those are the reticulated giraffes. The males of the species can go up to 18 feet of height, while the female of the species go up to 14 feet of height. They even have a 360 view in full color, which is rare for a lot of animals. For example, our dogs can only see black, white, gray, and blue. How cool is that? That is the Serengeti Outpost Safari Tours. It is a separate ticket. Space is limited, and as a gopher, especially when you want to get that perfect graphie, aka a selfie with your giraffe. Next to that is the laboratories, aka the bathroom, you know those are for. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, we are coming to the Nairobi station. Make sure you have everything with you, including your cell phones, your maps, your souvenir tiers, and your children. Everybody will be disembarking from the train, and the exit's going to be towards the front and rear of the train. If you guys hear the word safe, that means it is safe to get off the train. Alright, so wait for it. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it. Stay seated and hold it real high. And as they say in baseball, safe!
Best job conducting we've heard yet.
Oh, thank you!
Well,